just wake up early morning, decide just try something new and just like go by the river, just put your teeth and watch your face and just get like a fresh air and just enjoy nature and life a bit. So this morning that was aim to just wake up early, watch the sunset, the sunrise, and then go river, put your teeth, watch your face, river water, just feel a little lighter in your soul.
But then it's not always good to use like pipe water, tap water, and stuff like what your face and thing because sometimes having chlorine. So use river water when it's an appetite, it's just better because river always a flow. So no matter what in the top of the river, it'll flow past. So there's more chance that you're getting more refreshing, clean water. So usually river water just relaxes your body, relaxes skin, and just fresh.
So don't cuss me. I know I've been missing for a minute, but don't cuss. I'm back. But watch everybody, you don't just record the TV. I'm back with a brand new video. So in today's video, it's more than one video about me most are link on the cars. To me, we are family. I don't know if to know me, I'm a family or what, but I'm a family. So me need help on a little something. So next probably 5 days or so of Valentines from this video, and I have nothing planned. I don't know what to do. This little secret, little secret of all my years of dating, are saying being in relationships. This is the first time I actually have a girlfriend per se for Valentine's. Most of my relationship is either them start after Valentine's and then start drop off. Somebody really interested if you say yo boom, oh do something for Valentine's. Most of them just are even do in a relationship in a February and a real relationship from can say yo boom I gotta celebrate Valentine's and shit. I just normally just I mean do look something but hi Zanny.
Hello.
Right. So yeah, as I was saying, so this is the first time actually in a relationship for Valentine's Day, and I don't know what to do, I don't know how to plan. I'm not good at planning in some occasions, but I'm gonna try my best. So I have some ideas what to do, but them ideas are not really bam but we're gonna try. So if you have no ideas, if you have a suggestion, link in the comment section, leave in the comment section, and let me know what you think what we can do. My girlfriend, she not really picky for like about enough things. So that's one thing I like with her. She not really say oh hype it, so she not really love the hype her. So she's more calm and subtle. So I know if finding something for her or doing something now go really be a big issue. But Valentine's is coming and I finally have a girlfriend. Who not have a girlfriend Valentine's are bad. So I go life. But stay tuned to the side there. Link on the back. Come say hi to the vlog. So I'm going to introduce you now to my grandma.
Hello.
Can I see you?
Hi.
Of course. This is grandma. So yeah, so that's one of my grandma right here. So I mean I see my yeah, we're gonna see my alright, so we're now at a spot where person say it is the best pudding spot in the island so far for everybody. Tourists, both tourists and local. So with this size we're gonna try it out today. But do you want to do it for do you want to try it out for a minute now, but like just drive past. So it's on the main street in Prairie St. Anne, where you have the Island Dairy headquarters over there. Hold on. Yeah, so it's on the main street going to Prairie and the Runaway Bay on the main street. So yeah, so person say it's the best pudding spot. I can say that growing up I ate a lot of pudding from my grandma, whether it's potato or cornmeal or whatever she's making. So I mean I know what good pudding.
What?
what good pudding tastes like. So let's see if it is actually a good spot. But walking up to it now, probably have the whole fam, and let's just see how it goes. Alright, so right through here, you pass the spot, you get pudding. So you have a big pudding boss, and right through here, right boss, loads. So you have loads of pudding, like right through here, no matter what time. Pudding is always here, and the thing is that the great price that them always sell off, as in pot wise, because if you pass here Monday to Saturday, you see a line full. I know so you can't really hot up pudding kind of a taste as how it's supposed to taste. So right out here, there's pudding. And see boss, I'm gonna put more pudding on the spot, on the pot. So pudding is always here. Let's go inside. Alright, so we're back home and taste this. Maybe just gonna taste mine because as you can see, mine I touch it. I think this is caramel and potato mixed together with raisin. But the trick about pudding is that when pudding just bake, it will be nice when it just bake, but if I put it for cool for like probably an hour, whereas if you put it on the fridge, it tastes top up. But I mean, it's still kind of warm, so I'm gonna taste and see if whatever they might say, but the best is actually the best. So it's good, but it's also fresh. Fresh because it's an ital place, so you know they're not gonna be much. They're not gonna do much sugar. So I mean, naturally it's not always bad, but I mean, warm and nice. Oh. Recommended. It's not that bad. Yeah. It's soft. I want to go in there more and just start dissolve. So yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, recommended from me. It's good.
I like more in face.
But you know, Bex though. Then if you dead. You dead?
I wish man you. I mean if you dead. So you can't have steak in alcohol for so much. That can be for the next 100 years. You know?
Whoa. My God.
Really say look Bex.
You know, Bex.
Get some shock, some Chinese Express. You know, say I have a Sakura boss.
Man, you know Sakura boss.
Sakura boss. We can't look for the Sakura now. We can't go KFC now. We don't go KFC. We go Sakura. What then? Lock power? Oh, I'm looking at general. I respect. Couple million, not a little bit back. So we're there. Literally. Oh, this is a cool. What? Why you look like say them short of meat? It look like them short of meat, but why look at them short of meat? Yeah, we can find something, but I mean, alright, I'm gonna see what one.
Yeah, that's new. So, what the prices? Hey, me I want this. What this?
So, So, them roll. Them roll. What is it?
Sweet and sour. That's a good one. Spicy.
Can I get this and sweet and some. Oh, John, Alright, give me more.
Where you get mala from?
Yeah. That chicken more over the phone.
Oh, me mine first.
So the one there.
Spicy, I'm going to
Why am I the potential? Alright, thank you.
Thank you.
So you could have been juice, man. Huh?
I can't bring your juice, sir.
Boy, the man did. Look how the man chop me. Brother. Look how the man chop the juice. You don't think it's fight? Yo, Bolano, if he said that, suppose me this said Jason hold me food.
My mother loves you.
I already need a picture.
So you come.
Look at that.
Need a picture.
Anyway, suppose me this said Jason hold me food and he drop me food. What would I tell you, say?
She over there saying,
He ain't a switch power way.